Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're here in Blackhawk Grove and we're here at the new Scott Builder home. It is a massive 2-story, I don't know how many rooms, I don't know how many baths, but it is not even open yet, and we are going to get an exclusive tour prior to the model home actually opening, so let's check it out very soon. Alright guys, so
back door open.
As soon as you come into the right, you're going to have this massive office with the nice wood trim in the ceiling. This looks to be about a 10 or 11 foot ceiling, so plenty of space for a large bookshelf, hanging TV, massive sized desk with light coming right in through the front. And then over to the left. Wow. So this is actually going to be part of the traditional garage space, right? This is going to be used to promote all of the different properties that will be for sale throughout Blackhawk Grove. So this is going to be a real actual model unit. So these will be some of the offices that the sales agents will be utilizing. Here you'll be able to pick out your color, your flooring, tweak some of the spaces for your plugins and things of this nature. So this is actually going to be your traditional water closet or water space where the electric hookups, your water softener will be. So this is actually a part of the full layout. So let's head back down a little further and check out what is to the right. So to the right, we have our first half bath. Nice space for shelving. And I like how in this unit, they're already putting in wallpaper. So this is going to be a first bedroom that we see here. Nice carpet. And it does have an in-suite restroom. So let's just see how large this restroom is. Wow. Walk-in shower. Finishing touches will be added on very shortly. You walk through, you have a linen closet, and you have the walk-in closet here. So it is pretty spacious. Room for extra shelving up top and down bottom. Really nice to see. Heading back out. Let's go further down. So here we have our mud closet. Come in, take your shoes off, hang your backpack, raincoat. Wow, this is an interesting layout, guys. So you come in, and this looks like it is the laundry room. Washer and dryer hookups here. Storage space, cleaning supplies here. Looks like it connects to the primary closet. Okay, I see what's going on. So that's pretty neat because you want to have access to that washer and dryer, the cleaning supplies in your primary suite. Coming through, small linen closet here. Check out this primary restroom. No mirrors yet, but you see the countertops, the cabinets matching, looking beautiful. You have a really deep bathtub. I would get in there and show you guys just how deep it is, but we'll skip that for this episode. Check out this massive shower. Just wow. And it does have a water closet. Love that. So you can separate the water closet from the rest of the bathroom. And check out this massive chandelier in the primary bedroom. I love how these rooms are carpeted. Does come with, wow, it's really nice wallpaper. Check out these massive windows leading to the backyard, and check out this deep nook right here. So you can put a little bench here. You can actually have good space to sit and read. But I'm still in awe of this chandelier. Just wow. So heading back out, take a look at this living space with the high ceilings. Very beautiful. Large space for family gatherings. Dining space here with another creative chandelier. So you see in the backyard there is an outside grill, but before we get to that, look at the beauty this kitchen is. So I love the white cabinetry. I love the black countertops. Does come with LG appliances. So we see here we have the refrigerator and freezer. We have Whirlpool stove, double stove. We have the Whirlpool dishwasher. Very deep sink here for washing. Love to see that. And we have the Whirlpool gas grill with the matching convection hood. So I love these cabinets up top because if you have fine china that you would like to present, you can have that as a piece of art throughout the kitchen. So check out the size of this pantry. I mean, it is massive. For a house this size, you're bound to have a lot of snacks, a lot of food. So this will come in handy. Let's see what we have here. So we have another closet, storage space downstairs with the Honeywell Wi-Fi Pro Series thermostats that you can control while you are away from the home. Additional storage space under the stairs. And let's head on upstairs. Nice view from the midpoint of the stairs. Let's see what it looks like all the way from up top. Wow. So this is the second story. Maps of space here for studying. So the children will have their own desk space. You see 1, 2, 3 spaces for desks, studying, reading, writing. To the left here, let's check out this bedroom with the ensuite restroom. Very nice shower tub combination. Natural light coming right in. Long hallway coming into the bedroom. And I love these corner windows letting in light from both directions. Of course, they've already put in the beautiful wallpaper, brightening up this room even more. And this massive walk-in closet. Wow. Look how large this closet is, guys. I mean, got enough space to just walk around in here. Coming back out and across to the game room, movie theater, entertainment room. Just wow. Look at the wood paneling here. This is beautiful. So you have your choice of where you would like to put your projector, your big screen TV, your recliner couches. And back further around to the left, you can overlook the front door. See this beautiful chandelier. Another full bath, double sink. Love that. Shower tub combination. Plenty of storage over here for towels. And it actually connects here to another bedroom. Wow. So check out these corner windows as well. They're two different sizes this time. It's pretty interesting. So this one a little bit higher, still overlooking the front yard, side yard here. Let's check out this closet. Wow. And this is where we just came from, guys. Another linen closet here. So many little cool storage spaces here. Another linen closet here. And the final bedroom upstairs. Check out this creative light here. See this massive closet. And I like how they painted this room actually, instead of using wallpaper and like some of the others, just to do a little something different. Creative storage for books here. And check out this full bath. Nice backsplash for the tile. Natural light coming right in. So guys, what do you think about this 2-story, 1, 2, 3, 4 bedroom with a massive office with the game room? Oh, and we have yet to check out the backyard. So let's head on down and check out this backyard as well. I'm not exactly sure of the pricing because we did get exclusive access to this model home prior to being totally complete. But if I had to guess, I would say that this is going to be in the 600s, somewhere around 600,000 USD. Check out this backyard. Large covered patio. 2 ways to enter outside. So you have this massive sliding door here. You have this regular door coming from the dining area. Like we talked about earlier, we have this Coyote grill, double decker. Check out the size of this side yard. Brand new grass just put down, being watered as we speak, so we won't walk out there. But you see next door they have the bobcat going to the right. We're just about completing a few other homes in the neighborhood. Over to the left, 3 or 4 more. So guys, this neighborhood is going quickly. Again, Blackhawk Grove here in Pflugerville, Texas. All right, guys, thank you so much for enjoying this tour. This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath with the game room and office. Wow. So this is here in Blackhawk Grove in Pflugerville, Texas. It is 30 minutes away from Tesla, from Dell, from Microsoft, from Apple. You have access to I-45 and 130, the toll roads. You have access to an in-neighborhood high school, elementary school, and middle school. You do have an amenity center. You do have trail access, and this is a neighborhood with homes ranging from the low 400s to the high 600s. So if this is something that you are interested in touring, if something you're interested in purchasing, be sure to look down in the bottom for the description. You will have the contact information for the sales agents as well as the directions to the neighborhood here in Blackhawk Grove. So until next time, thank you for joining the tour, and peace.